7476. I don't know what that is.
They ain't never say when on school camp so far. I don't wanna do that this shit. Not if you my child, you straight from the school camp. You know my mama tell you what. For no shelter. You were there, right?
Oh yeah, make sure. Yo, crap, the mic is on.
Oh my god, it's gonna be dry.
Okay, guys, never put in 7476 in multiplayer. Because it does this to your game. Something drunk my game. I don't know what happened. I don't know where my vehicles are. What the world? Looks cool though. Let's try a match. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this fixes it. I'm gonna just go get some more. Oh, I'm gonna say Mark, stay on that map. Because I don't know what it's doing. My game is glitched. Let's see if it goes back to normal. Oh, he went back to normal. What the world was that?
I'm gonna give her credit.
It glitched out the whole game.
So what you think? Cause I don't wanna dress up in no ketchup and mayonnaise.
No, that was a joke. Cause I heard Miss Adu say that's what I had to take.
Yeah, never put in this code. What the hell? And watch.
What's gonna look like with some school?
I put in 7476 and it breaks my game. Look, watch whenever I go to customize it. Whenever I click my garage, watch this.
I'm not doing no
What the fuck is
How about
this?
you need
I don't know what this glitch is, guys. But it definitely needs to be fixed. Cool.
Oh, y'all better be